materials you are going to need are balloons, a plastic cup, heavy-duty duct tape or a hot glue gun, styrofoam balls or cotton balls, pom-poms, or socks. Here I'm going to be using a paper cup that I will be cutting out the bottom from. I have this shiny duct tape here that I'm going to try and use for one of mine. But if you have a kind like this, it works just as good. I have my cotton balls at the ready. They kind of look like little snowballs. Next, I have my colorful pom-poms. I also have my balloons here. I have different colors because I'm not sure which one I want to use. Maybe the blue, the yellow, or the green. And we can't forget about the scissors. So here I'm getting my cup ready to cut. I have my scissors, and I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to poke a hole. Be very, very careful. And now that I've poked my hole, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to rip the bottom of the cup out. This makes it a lot easier. Just like that, so you can see right through the bottom. Our next step is to cut the balloon. We just want to cut it just a little over halfway. Just like that. Now we're just going to tie the end of the balloon, and what I do is I stretch it, and then I stretch it enough so that I can tie a knot. Just like this. Ta-da! Our next step is to take our cup and then our balloon and then stretch it over the bottom opening of our cup. I needed a little support here because it's a little tricky. And just like that, you might want to hold it in place until you have your duct tape. Alright, I have my strip of duct tape and I'm ready to secure the balloon onto the paper cup. I'm just going to carefully make sure I get the balloon along with the cup as I'm taping it around. And oh, I just needed a little bit more duct tape. So I'm going to add that on to make sure the whole balloon is attached. And press firmly to make sure everything comes together. Stretch it, test it out, and it's ready to go. Here's another launcher that I made with my shiny tape and the blue balloon. Hello friends! I have my yellow launcher, the first one I made, and then the blue launcher, the second one. So here I have my pom-poms ready to go. I have my cotton balls. I found some scrunchies around my house and I just balled them up. I found a pair of socks to turn into a snowball. And I found these cute little bows. And I also have these reusable ice cubes. They have a little bit of water in them. I wonder how those are gonna work. What do you think will happen? Which object will go the shortest distance and which one will go the farthest distance? Alright, so I have my blue launcher, and I think the first object I'm going to try is the pom-poms. There they go. Alright, big stretch it out, and boom! Oh, but I want to see what would happen if I added 1. 3, 2, 1. Whoa, that one shot right across the room. Next, I will try the yellow launcher with the cotton balls. Are we ready? Woo! Oh wow, it looked like snow falling. I think I'm gonna add some more. Boop, boop, boop. More snow. Ready? And woo! So pretty. Next up is my scrunchies, but I think I'm going to use the bright red one. Into the cup. Ready, aim, fire! Oh, I thought that would go farther. But I'll try the blue launcher with a different scrunchie, and we'll see what happens. Ready, aim, fire! Oh wow, that one went further than all of the other objects. I'm excited for the bows. I wonder how far they're gonna go. Let's find out. Aim and fire! I wonder if we use one bow, how far it'll go. Into the cup. And launch. Oh, that went farther than the scrunchie, it looks like. Next, I have my reusable ice cube stars. They have a little bit of water, and they're a little bit heavier, so I wonder how far they're going to go. Ready, and launch! Oh wow, did you see them bounce? And they made it almost to the other side of the room. I'm going to add some more stars to the other launcher and see what happens. Launch! Oh, those ones didn't go as far as the other ones. I think it's because the blue one is tighter and it doesn't have much stretch, but the yellow one stretches further. So I think with the yellow one, the objects go further across the room, but with the blue one, they go a shorter distance. What other objects can you launch? Alright, here I wanted to show you where all of the objects landed. And I wanted to see which one got the furthest. But the shortest distance looks like the bow and the cotton balls. Then let's move over to the middle. It looks like a lot of stuff landed in the middle. If we look around, I see the pom-pom, the bow, and the scrunchie. And if we walk a little further, I am seeing that the stars made it. With the bow and the scrunchie. And the stars went the farthest.